In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Google Sheets. If you want to make your spreadsheet easier to read, especially when you're working with narrow columns or long headers, rotating text can be a really useful formatting option. It helps save space and can make your sheet look cleaner and more organized. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the text rotation settings and how to apply them in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your Google Sheet. Open the spreadsheet where you want to change the text orientation. Before using the rotation option, make sure you've selected the cell or cells that contain the text you want to adjust. That way the formatting will be applied exactly where you need it. Once you're inside the sheet and your target cell is selected, move to the top menu and click on Format. This menu contains many of the visual and layout controls for your spreadsheet, including text styling, alignment, wrapping, and rotation. If you've never used it before, this is one of the main places to go when you want to change how your content looks without changing the actual data. After clicking Format, look through the drop-down menu and hover over Rotation. When you place your cursor over it, another menu will appear to the side. This submenu gives you the available text rotation choices in Google Sheets. Hovering rather than clicking too quickly helps you see all the options clearly so you can choose the one that best fits your layout. Now click on one of the rotation options, either rotate up or rotate down. Rotate up will angle the text in one direction, and rotate down will angle it in the opposite direction. The best option depends on how you want your spreadsheet to look and how much space you're trying to save. If you're formatting column headers, for example, trying both options can help you decide which one is easier to read. As soon as you click your preferred option, the text in the selected cell or cells will update automatically. If the result doesn't look quite right, you can simply go back to the same rotation menu and choose the other option instead, and that's it. That's how to rotate text in Google Sheets using the Format menu. It's a quick formatting trick, but it can make a big difference when you're organizing data and improving readability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.